Hello, welcome back to Gurukul Knowledgeopedia. In this video, I am going to show you how you can download Small Basic. So let's begin. So first, you have to open Google Chrome and type Small Basic. So this is the website smallbasic.com. So in this website, you have to click on Download Small Basic. The self-executable file is being downloaded. You have to keep on clicking on next. I'm not clicking next as Small Basic is already installed in my computer. So after clicking on next, the Small Basic will be downloaded. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.